Hi Mike, wanted to do a real quick video here to show you a couple different ways to look things up in the payments table. It's a table, so there's some database functions that are built in. So let's start with an invoice number. So I just click the arrow next to the column header and just type part or all of the invoice number that you're looking for, and it looks it up. So a couple other examples. If you under the data tab, there's some tools for lookups. So I can clear the lookup, and let's say I wanted to do the same thing with an insurance company. Whoops, let's do this. So here's the everything associated with ACE insurance, and finally let's do a lookup by date range. So if I let's say I want to look up everything that was done this year, 2019, that hasn't been paid, and if I wanted to look for a specific company, let's say. So I've got one Hartford that has not been paid yet, and you can see the data on it. So you can do this with different companies and however you want to slice it and dice it.